Good evening, folks. So here we join us on another fishing trip. This time we're down at Shotley Marina. So we're hoping to catch a few whiting. Well, I'm hoping to catch a few whiting just so I can do a catch and cook. I know they're a bit of a play for some people, but we're going to announce the competition later as well. The competition winner is going to get £20 worth of bait or tackle at Jordan's shop, and I'll put a link in the description and everything like that. So well done. We'll find out who it is shortly. But yeah, anything else to add?
Well, not really. You know, we've kind of come down here a little bit early, but now we've got the tide, we're going to be starting to fish. So we're hoping for a good night's fishing, aren't we?
Yeah, maybe something different or something.
Yeah. Yeah,
we're going to be using rag. I've got a 2-hook flapper set up on the big rod. I'm going to use a little scratching rod a bit later. You've gone for something similar, haven't you?
Yeah, well? Very much the same kind of thing.
And we're going to be using rag worm as well.
Okay, that's it.
But yeah.
So we're hoping to catch a few fish tonight.
Yeah, I'm hoping to catch some.
Yeah.
So we've got this wall to cast over, and then there is quite a bit of rock still to come up, because high tide's not fully until pretty much dead on 12. But we'll see how we go. Ragworm. It's good bait, to be fair. Let's get him on there. Here we go. Let's catch some fish. We're fishing. There you are. Erich is in. You got something?
Yeah, little one, look. Here you go.
What is it?
Little whiting. We'll throw that back.
Yeah, he's a bit small.
Yeah.
First fish of the day though.
Great, fantastic.
That bodes pretty well. Still one fish down. We're getting a couple of nibbles and stuff like that. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful out here. The noise of the docks is almost like hypnotic, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
And it's like a meal pond as well. But here goes, we're hoping for some more anyway, so plenty of time. Boop. Oh, getting some nibbles here.
Yeah, look, there you go.
Wish me luck.
Good luck.
What have we got? A whiting. Surprise, surprise. So a whiting. Greedy bastard has actually taken both hooks. You see that?
That's crazy.
He's taken both hooks, a greedy little shit.
Extraordinary times. Looks like a better bite.
Oh yeah, we got something.
It looks a bit bigger than we've been catching.
Yeah, we got one.
There you go.
Hey. Another little whiting.
There you go. A little bit bigger than the last one.
Yeah, they're out there though.
Keep pulling it in quickly.
Yeah, lift it over there.
Go on.
Here we go, we got one. It's another little whiting. Bit of a bigger one this time. See that? A little bit of a bigger one.
270.
There's got to be more than 270.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have. Let's have a look.
Look at that.
Another little whiting.
All roughly the same size.
Yeah. All above 30, we're getting absolutely plagued at the minute. Not a bad size, that one. Good job, Erich.
Yeah, good. Good.
There we go, fish on, fish on. That's a bit of a better bite. What we got? That's a bass.
Whoa!
First bass of the evening.
Nice.
Not too bad. Two at a time.
Hey.
And they are both bass. They're both bass. 58, wasn't even sure if I had a bite that time, but another little whiting. Not too bad of a size, that one. Definitely got to be about 30. An eel. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Definitely a weird bite, wasn't it?
Yeah, very.
That's a little whiting. Another little whiting. Tiny, but fish is a fish, as always. Definitely getting bites. It's after high tide now, so what is it, 1 o'clock in the morning, Erich?
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah, there's something on there.
Oh.
Whiting. Just more whiting. Loads of them. We got fire, baby. Finally. We got some hamburgers on the go. And then we got some bratwurst afterwards as well. Fishing's gone off a bit, but we're down to our last worm. We've had fun anyway.
Yeah.
Caught a lot of whiting. Got a nibble on it at the minute, so we might have one more. But anyway, we'll do a catch and cook with the whiting, announce the winner of the competition, and yeah. What a lovely evening.
Wow, look at this. It's
Beautiful.
fantastic. Flame grilled burgers.
You're like something off a Master Chef. Or she's getting bites.
Yeah, got one.
Have you?
Yeah.
Nice, look at that. Another whiting. Let's have a look at him. Not too bad.
Yeah.
That's well over. Good fish, Erich. Happy with that?
Happy with that?
That's us done for the evening. Yeah, it's been lovely out here. Fantastic, isn't
It's
it?
fantastic. It's lovely this time of night. Not a soul about it, apart from the stupid ones that are out fishing.
But I've had a lovely time.
Yeah, it's been great.
We've caught some fish. I'm a happy boy. Let's go and do this catch and cook. They're absolutely gorgeous, aren't they?
They're really tasty. Fantastic.
Right, so that was absolutely delicious.
Yeah,
wasn't
it was lovely. Absolutely banging.
Yeah. Whiting is such an underrated fish, really. Like
It was really subtle, but it was absolutely
with
tasty.
the lemon and the
Yeah,
pepper
it
and
was
everything like
fantastic.
that. Bit of tartar sauce. It was
Yeah.
a glorified fish finger sandwich,
Yeah.
if you like. But we had good fun.
Yeah.
We how many did we catch? Like loads,
Oh,
really.
it must have been around getting on for 20, I should think. And there was the bass as well, wasn't
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Two,
And
three
eel,
bass.
slimy little eel as well. But
We had a really good night's fishing, didn't we?
yeah, it was great, and that was quite enjoyable. But anyway, let's announce the competition. So I had pre-prepared, without Erich knowing, some tickets with the subscribers' names in it. I'll give them a little shake, so you can't possibly, you won't possibly.
Right,
So
so
pick one out.
let's move them around a little bit. Take one out the hat. And we've got somebody, one of our subscribers called Braden Aldous, who's won the prize.
Well done, Braden.
Well done, Braden.
So you've got 20 quid's worth of bait or tackle. You can combine it obviously to the value of £20. But well done.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah, well done for winning the competition.
Drop into Jordan's, and I hope you enjoy it. So,
Yep. Yep. Okay, that's been great. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic fishing trip and absolutely fantastic food. There we go.
Awesome. Check you
Cheerio.
guys later.